Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for the warm welcome. Okay, so how many of you watch IPL here? How many of you online? Raise your hands. Most of you. Okay. Who all support RCB? Isala Cup Namde. Okay, that's still good. Thank you, all the Pune people. So it's been about close to 9 years, if I'm not wrong, where I saw the data that they took for them to come to the finals, right? Yeah, exciting? Not yet. Okay. At least for me, it's excited moment. Okay. So why is it exciting? Because they didn't give up. They didn't give up at any point of time. So it's very important. Why I chose this topic? Do you think it's because of the bread? Something bread? Some I've mentioned need, rest, and rice. Okay. So it's more to bread. It's more to baking. It's nothing to do with the food in general. It's more of my life experiences on how you rise, you fail, and you rise again, all these things. Okay? So similar way as how RCB is doing. I hope they win. Okay. Let's get started. Let me not wait further. Now, why am I asking you, all of you, to write something? At least the three falls. Three falls. Very important. Why is it important? One is to understand yourself. What are you as a person? If you start questioning, it's a very deeper thought. So understand today, what are you? What do you really want in general? Is it something that I want to be this person today, or I want to grow as an individual, or I'm sufficient enough in whatever I'm doing right now? So one is understand you. Another one is be honest to yourself. Being honest is very important. We might tend to be like, okay, suppress the things. I think I'm this. I think I can be this. We say somebody, okay, that person is great, and let me just walk into his shoes and then pretend to be that person. That doesn't work for a longer time. Trust me, it doesn't work for a longer time. So be honest to what you are. You will get to know very soon why I'm talking about this. So the more you honest you are, the more you grow in personal as well as in professional way. Okay? And is it something that we all have a manual? We all have a manual for life in general, how to lead life. We get born and then we go to school, we go to college, we come back work, and then married, kids, and then retirement. So that's the life, right? So, but if you really think about it, as an individual, did I live my life? No. So something to do with what you really want. It's a journey. It's nothing to do with, okay, you have a manual, you have to lead it that way. Of course, you have to lead it with the manual, but live it with fullest. Live fullest, that's very important. So you might say, I'm sure that we have seen a lot of scenarios why we need to live every moment. So that's something which you need to carry in your day-to-day life. So what else is required? Something to be honest, something to be who you are, something to be what you're going to be, and your surroundings. If Josh has all the people who are working to one objective, we have one. If everybody has different objectives in life, have we? No. So have a goal, be surrounded by people who really value you, value your growth, not by people who demean you, or who is going to suppress you, who cannot tolerate your success, failures. So be with someone who really lift your every day. So the moment you call, why do we all call our friends or somebody in our life? Because they're always been there for us, who doesn't judge by what you are as a person, who doesn't judge you, okay, am I a CEO? Am I HR? Am I what? No, that doesn't work. So it's very important to have that friend, have that partner, have that person in your life. So be that person, is what I want to say. Be that person for someone else. Okay? Who all watches Tom and Jerry? 90s kids? Yeah, that was mine at least. It was an amazing cartoon. We used to wait for the cartoon and see how the Jerry is always troubling the Tom, and Tom is constantly running and trying to kill the Jerry. So that was we used to say, right? How do I pick myself from a difficult situation? Is something to do with how well you know about yourself, how well you can manage in this process. So there are a lot of difficult situations you come across in your life. It can be any of the matters. So let me take one simple example, which I saw one of my friend who is in a band. So he lost his job during pandemic. So what did he do? He was married and he had kids. So he didn't know what to do at that point of time. Doesn't have money, doesn't have to do any work. He just have to do nothing else but sit at home. So did he give up? No. Instead, he enjoyed spending time with family. Resting is not something to do with your growth is getting stagnant. Resting is good. Resting is good for you to rise back again. So always think when it's exhausting phase for you, it's okay to rest and come back again. It's okay to be, down sometimes. So don't give up is what I would say. So he didn't give up. He enjoyed the family time. He enjoyed the time he had to give for the kids, which he never used to be if he was working for a band. Okay? So that is what it's all about. You need to pick yourself. Wherever you get struggle, lose a job, okay, I understand, but it's okay. Pick it up. Come back. You will remember this someday. 3 falls. I want to say 3 falls. There are 3 falls that you go through in your life. It can be physical. What is physical? It's something to do with you really fall. As a kid, you would have fell many a times. Okay? Or it can be an accident which changed someone. Or it can be anything. Physically, you are something to do with your bones, your hands, or your face. Identity as a whole. So this is something that fall. How do you overcome this fall? How do you manage to give it a rest? What's something that you like at that point of time? Go and maybe spend some quality time with your family at that point of time. So live, it's okay. Your work will get stuck, it's fine. But give that time for yourself to, all the things to get healed up. And then it becomes easier for you. What is the emotional fall? I think we all go through this emotional fall every day, every month, every moment, right? So it's very important to come back. It's okay, we fall, emotional fall will be there. Take a spa session. I saw someone have booked a yearly spa for themselves. That's a great thing. Go to spas. Good ones, guys. Okay? So just rest yourself. The aromas around you, it's something that will really help to revive that energy in you and come back. That's important. Now, what is both? Now, that's the deadliest combination, isn't it? I'm sure we all go through this. Physical and mental is something to do with exhaustion phase, which will not even let you move from your bed. It's something when you call for help. It's something when you feel that I cannot manage myself. It's something to do with somebody has to help me on this. So then you need to take a professional help, and also somebody around you who can understand you from within, whatever is your struggles. Talk to the person, spend some time, and just try and pause it, completely pause. It's okay. I think we have seen a lot of actors, lot of sports personalities have gone through this. They paused it for some time, but they came back, right? I'm sure somebody in cricket, Rishabh Pant, if I'm not wrong, right? Yeah, he went through a physical, mental, it's both. So he came back. Look at him. He's been a savior for us, RCB now. That's a great one. Okay, rise and fall can be from any experiences. Now, I have put up couple of pictures here, right? If you see, we have all witnessed this. In one of the trainings, I've already told about this, spoken about this. Someone's death, someone's like COVID is one of the situation. And also if you have a disagreement with your partner, lost the connection itself, personal connection, war, and someone has failed as an individual back in school days. We all have been there, done that, but we have all learned from it. Isn't it great? Did we stop by ourselves at that point of time? I don't think any of us would have been here today, sitting like this, to be in a stage to be a confident. So that's very important to reflect back with whatever you've been through and say for yourself you're a stronger person enough. And today, I would definitely say this, more stronger, all of us will become more stronger if we try and understand, identify what all have gone back then and what all we can make it better for ourselves. So identify is the first goal. You have achieved it. That's a great thing to do. Now, I have broken down these in a professional setup, how it will stages each one will go through. Maybe you can resonate with this. I'm sure all of you have been in one of the stages, okay? And you will be in one of the stages. And let's brace ourselves that when we be in that stage, we better make it in a better, probably achieve it in a better way, right? So let's begin with learning stage. All the interns here who have joined here, for you guys, when you joined here, you are not sure where you're heading to. You are not sure that, is this something that I want to do? Is this some skill I would really want to learn? Or is it something that the setup I want to be in? It is seriously unclear for all of us. I've been there. I'm sure that you guys are in that position right now. But your focus, you guys will be super energetic, and all of you will be going to attend all the meetings without fail, and you will be part of the events, you will be part of the learnings, and without anyone questioning you. You yourself will volunteer most of the time. Not always, but most of the time you are willing to give that kind of energy to somebody. So that is something a learning stage will be. Okay? Now challenges are, again, it's unclear. So get a clear picture for yourself. What do you really want in life? What do you actually want to become? So this is the right stage for you to identify your goals. Although we do it the goals, but for yourself as an individual. Growth stage. Growth stage is where you're very ambitious. You have passed that phase of learning stage and everything. Now you're ambitious to achieve something. You want some recognition. You want somebody to notice you. You want somebody to give some kind of rewards to you. All these are there. But there is another which gets tagged on is challenges. And what are the challenges? Burnout. During this stage, you are working rigorously and you forget there is something called as work-life balance. You forget that if I burn out, then it is going to impact me. It's very important for me to just go with the flow, slowly take one step at a time, which we'll not do in the growth stage because we want to grow and show to the world where we belong. Mastery stage. So what is mastery stage? It's something to do with you have nailed it, you know what it is, but you will be struggling in some of the areas. Now the mindset what we carry is something called as confident. We know, and we are kind of respected at that stage. Like we know, okay, because of the confidence what you have got, you're respected for what you are. So that's something you carry as a mindset. Now focus is something that you will look in for is mentoring. You will be in a stage where you are in a stage where the most of the managers or most of the leads who are in a stage of mentoring. Someone who you can groom them and to be that successful person. Now, what are the challenges? Staying relevant. You might go away with it. You might be in a phase of, making other person understand. You might lose out on a stage where, are you really relevant to what it was? Am I relevant to today's generation of what are the transformation which are happening around me? Is something that we start questioning ourselves. That's a challenge. You might be doing your process right, but in a way you'll forget that, okay, it's not the thing that is actually required. So you need to make sure that you're relevant enough. Reassessment stage. This is something to do with you're reflecting back in whatever you have done so far. Be proud of your journey. Be proud of your wherever it's taking you to, leading you to. In a way, you have learned a lot. You have been consistently, you're trying to be relevant. You're trying to be stable in your actions. And this is something that you will start focusing. I want a stable job. Everybody wants. The similar way, everybody at that point of stage will look in for stability. Everybody, but there is a challenge. Now what is the challenge is something that I would have lost it, like little bit of drivingness. Somebody have to push you to work. Somebody has to help you navigate those situations. So that is reassessment stage. You are still figuring it out. Whether am I belonging to this era or am I belonging to something that I need to stop this and look for something else. So that is the reassessment stage. Needs to cool down. Legacy. Legacy is something that people are either completely fulfilled or either completely regret. Now, who are these people who have just finished their work? It's in a verge of a retirement. So is it something to do you are done with all these? No, pausing is not retiring. You open the doors for opportunities. It's nothing to do with, okay, I'm done with the job. People should not think that, okay, you're done here. You don't have any life. There's nothing like that. You have all of the opportunities. Maybe your interest in other things might help you to start something else, right? You might be a CEO of a startup owner. You might be a consultant. Anyone for that matter. So keep looking and forward to it. Don't stop or pause anywhere. So wherever, whichever stage you are, carry that legacy. Look back and say that I'm proud of my journey. I'm proud of that, the person I have become now. I'm sure that the people who have followed you will come back and thank you for whatever you have done. Come back and tell you that, yes, you did a great job, and I'm sure that I want to become that person. So this is something that you leave behind. And we all have that kid in us. It's just that we have to remember that we can rise, fall, and rise back again. That is nothing to do with need, rest, and rise again. Thank you, everyone.